How to get Singpass for Malaysian. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can get Singpass as a Malaysian. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you are Malaysian and you would like to get Singpass as a Malaysian, maybe because you reside in Singapore or anything like that, you have to register as a foreign citizen. To do that, you can just launch the Singpass application that you'll be able to find right here. Then after you launch the app, these are the options you'll see. You can just hit this little arrow button here. Now, if you had your ID, you'd be able to enter them and tap the login button. But here you can see it says Singpass Foreign User Account or SFA. So we'll tap on that option that says Start Here. When we tap on Start Here, it will give us a form. So you type in your Singpass account details, which can be found in the email sent to you from Singpass. So enter your user ID over there. Enter the email you used to register for Singpass. Then enter your foreign document details like a foreign ID number and a country of region or issue. So if it's Malaysia, just select Malaysia here, tap on continue, and you can follow up with a couple of other instructions to register as a foreign citizen on Singpass. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.